How to use AI without becoming dependent on IT. AI is a powerful accelerator. AI can speed up writing, research, summarization, idea generation. Where AI helps most, AI is great for drafting first versions, explaining complex topics, exploring alternatives, structuring messy information. Where AI weakens thinking, blindly accepting outputs reduces critical engagement. Overusing AI for simple tasks weakens problem-solving muscle. Don't outsource your judgment. AI can suggest. It cannot take responsibility. Final decisions should stay human. Build a healthy human AI workflow. Think first. Ask better questions. Use AI to refine, not replace, your thinking. Use AI as a second brain, not your only brain. Let AI assist memory and structure. Keep reasoning and judgment with you. Always verify important outputs. AI can be wrong. Confidently wrong. Verification protects your credibility. The right mindset. AI is a collaborator, not a crutch. The real advantage: those who balance human thinking with AI assistance will outperform those who outsource thinking entirely.